who decide to pretend to use the farmer's tractor early one morning. This book is called The Gobble Gobble Mooooo Tractor Book by Jez Alborough. Excuse me. The Gobble Gobble Mooooo Tractor Book. Early one morning, when Farmer Dougal was still asleep, sheep climbed onto the big, red tractor. "What are you doing?" asked Cat. "I'm going for a ride," said Sheep. "This is the sound that the tractor makes when you turn on the engine. Bah-ha-ha-ha-ha-ha." "Can I come?" asked Cat. "I can do the sound the engine makes when it starts to wiggle and jiggle. Purr." "Wait for me," said Turkey. "I can do the sound the tractor makes when it drives off down the lane. Gobble, 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 gobble." "Let's do it again," said Cat. "But what about Farmer Dougal?" asked Sheep. "What if he wakes up and sees us?" Cat and Turkey looked at Sheep with two silly smirks and said, "Please." "All right," said Sheep. "Let's go for a ride. Ready?" "I'm turning the engine on. Bah! It's wiggling and jiggling. Purr! And the tractor is driving off down the lane. Gobble, 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 gobble." "Can I come too?" asked Mouse. "I can do the wheels. The great big wheels which go round and round with a squeak, squeak, squeak." "Wait for me," said Goose. "I can do the horn, which shouts 'Get out of the way!' with a honk, honk, honk." "I can do the engine when the tractor goes fast," said Cow. "It gets louder and louder and sounds like this. Moo." "Let's do it again," said Cat. "We can all join in," said Mouse. "But what about Farmer Dougal?" asked Sheep. Then the Cat, Turkey, Mouse, Goose, and Cow looked at the Sheep with 5 soppy smiles and said, "Please." "All right," said Sheep. "Ready?" "I'm turning on the engine. Bah! It's wiggling and jiggling. Purr! And the tractor is driving down the lane. Gobble, 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 gobble. The great big wheels are rolling round and round. Squeak, squeak, squeak. The horn is saying, 'Get out of the way!' with a honk, honk, honk. And the engine is going faster and faster. Moo." But then, what's all that rumpus and noise? It sounds like someone is driving off with my tractor. Uh-oh, Farmer Dougal woke up. "Quick," cried the Sheep, "it's Farmer Dougal. Run!" Dougal looked out the window, and there was his big red tractor, safe and sound. "I must have been dreaming," he said, and he pulled the curtains shut and climbed back into bed. The cow looked at the sheep. The turkey looked at the sheep. The cat looked at the sheep. The goose looked at the sheep. And the mouse looked at the sheep. And the sheep looked at all of them with a big goofy grin and said, "Let's do it again." Do you think those animals had a good time? I think they did. It looked like a lot of fun to drive that big red tractor. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. I miss you.